To simplify your workflows, you can individually choose the parameters shown in each of your Intellimix channel displays. Pick your favorite or most used parameters for each channel. For Intellimix Pro, you can choose 4 parameters for each channel, which we call FabFour. In comparison, Intellimix Focus only shows 1 parameter, which is displayed with 1 larger wheel. To adjust the display parameters, just go to Settings and pick the parameter of your choice. Tap and hold the desired parameter until the assignment prompt appears. Next is the selection of the new control's position. Please note that your selection overrides the previous assignment at that position. When you're done, you can simply navigate back using the Home button. Your FabFour or Fab1 information is saved in a snapshot. Learn more about snapshots in a separate video.